How to shut off overthinking in seconds and make clear decisions fast. Have you ever caught yourself spiraling, replaying the same thoughts over and over again, unable to make a decision? You know what you need to do, but your brain keeps running in circles, creating doubt, hesitation, and stress. What if I told you that you can shut off overthinking in seconds? Not by forcing yourself to think positive, but by using a simple trick that rewires your brain on the spot. Overthinking isn't just a bad habit. It's a subconscious survival response. Your brain is trying to protect you from making the wrong move. So it keeps feeding you endless what-if scenarios. But here's a problem. Overthinking doesn't lead to better decisions. It leads to paralysis, self-doubt, and inaction. The more you think, the more uncertain you feel. The more uncertain you feel, the more you overthink. The cycle continues until you either procrastinate or make a decision out of pure frustration. But here's the real issue. Overthinking isn't logical. It's emotional. So to stop it, you don't need more analysis. You need to interrupt the pattern in real time. Here's a trick. Whenever you catch yourself spiraling, ask this one simple question. What decision would I make if I already fully trusted myself? This works instantly because it forces your brain to shift out of fear and into clarity. Overthinking is driven by doubt, second guessing, and fear of consequences. But the moment you ask yourself this, you bypass all the noise and connect directly to your highest level of decision making. And here's why this works. It eliminates fear-based thinking because your subconscious already knows the answer. It activates certainty because you're stepping into the mindset of someone who moves with confidence. It stops the emotional spiral instantly because now you're focused on the right outcome, not just the risks. This isn't just mindset fluff. This is backed by neuroscience. Overthinking is triggered by the amygdala, the part of your brain responsible for fear responses. When you introduce a new mental pattern, like asking yourself this question, you activate the prefrontal cortex, a part of your brain responsible for logical decision making. This shift interrupts the stress loop and puts you back in control of your choices within seconds. If you want to make this your default response instead of getting trapped in overthinking, here's how you reinforce it. 1. Catch the overthinking early. The moment you feel doubt creeping in, recognize it as a pattern, not reality. 2. Ask yourself the question, what decision would I make if I already trusted myself fully? 3. Move immediately. Act before your brain has time to talk you out of it. The first few times your mind will resist, but the more you do this, the faster your brain rewires itself for clarity instead of hesitation. And the truth is, you don't have an overthinking problem. You have a trust problem. The moment you start operating from the identity of someone who already trusts their decisions, overthinking disappears. So next time you catch yourself spiraling, stop, take a breath and ask yourself, what decision would I make if I already fully trusted myself? Then move. Because action is the only thing that breaks the cycle. If you've enjoyed this video, feel free to like, subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.